to Medical Tube Mate. Today we are going to talk about how to count history points in ENM. ENM means evaluation and management. This is fourth part of evaluation and management. You can see my previous video for part 1, part 2 and part 3. So this is history counting of ENM. So let's start. So here you can see I have given one table. In that table you can learn. So on the basis of this table only we have to decide level of history. As I told you already, there are in evaluation and management there are three key components. The first is history, second one is physical examination, and third one is MDM. So we are talking about first one. This is history. So in case of history, this is the important table. So here you can see level of history. So there are total 4 level of history. One is PF, then EPF, then detail, and then comprehensive. So PF means less level and comprehensive means highest level in history counting. So okay. So and here you can see HPI, ROS and PFSH. So we have to know how to count HPI, ROS and PFSH. That I have already explained in my previous video. That's why I am telling you to go back and check my previous video. So I have created ENM part 1 for HPI, part 2 for ROS, part 3 for PFSH. So guys, for comprehensive level, we should have 4 point in HPI. You can see here. And then 10 point in ROS and 2 or 3 points in PFSH. 2 or 3 means 2 points for established patient and 3 points for new patient. So like that, in case of detail, we should have 4 point in HPI, 2 to 9 points in ROS and 1 point in PFSH. In case of EPF, 1 to 3 points required in HPI section and 1 point in ROS section, minimum 1 point in ROS section, and PFSH no need. Consider for EPF, and after EPF, PF is there. So we should have 1 to 3 points in HPI section and no need ROS, no need PFSH. So like that, guys. This is the history table. So here you can see 3 by 3 criteria I have given. 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means all 3 criteria should be met for this level. 3 means HPI, ROS and PFSH. All 3 should be met. For example, here in your report there are 4 point in HPI and 10 point in ROS and 1 point in PFSH. For comprehensive, at least 2 points should be required in case of established patient. But here what happened? 4 point in HPI, 10 point in ROS, but 2 points. So in your report, only 1 point in PFSH. So we should not give comprehensive level here because at least 2 should be required. So that we have to go one step back. One step back means this is detail. So one step back means we should not give comprehensive. So we have to go with detail. For detail, what requirements are given? So 4 point in HPI. So as per your report, 4 points are there. So 2 to 9s. In your report, 4 points are there means 2 to 9 we can consider. Okay. And in your report, 1 point in PFSH. So in your report, only 1 point is given means we should assign, we should consider detail in history counting. So the level of history is detailed. So like that, guys, we have to consider, we have to learn history counting. So here I have given 3 by 3 means that is only the meaning. So one more example I am going to give. So suppose in your report there are 10 ROS. So 10 ROS means it's coming in comprehensive level. Okay. 10 ROS, PFSH also 3 points are given in PFSH. But what happened in case of HPI? There are not given total 4 points. So that time, suppose in your report only 2 points are there in HPI point. So 2 points means we should not give comprehensive because it's a 3 by 3 criteria. All 3 should be met. So that's why go one step back, that is detail. So in detail also 4 points require. So this is also not possible. Again, one step back. So here 1 to 3 means in your report there are 2 points. So that means EPF. So that time we have to assign level of history EPF, because all three should be met, right? So here all three not meeting. In case of comprehensive also not meeting, in case of detail also not meeting. So that we are going down, 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 and this is EPF. EPF should be your final level of history. So like that, guys, only we have to assign history counting on the basis of this table only. So next I am going to explain same thing with examples so you can understand well. So guys, here I have given three examples. So you can understand well the same thing with examples. So here in the first example you can see HPI in HPI section there are 2 points, in ROS section 5 points, in PFSH section 2 points. So here as I told you, 3 by 3 criteria. Okay, so we have to know, we have to be very careful about 3 by 3 criteria, means all three should be met. So in first example there are 2 points in HPI. Okay, so 2 means it's coming to EPF. Okay, so here it's coming to EPF. So ROS 5 points means going to detailed, and PFSH 2 points. So it's going to comprehensive in established patient. So we have to think from highest level. So highest means comprehensive. For that comprehensive, you have 4 points in HPI required. So not there. So go one step back. So detail also require 4 points. So go again one step back. So in case of EPF, you have 2 points, means it's coming in EPF correctly. For EPF need at least one ROS. So ROS also there. So you have 5 points in ROS. And for PFSH, 2 points are there. But for EPF, if PFS is not there also, not an issue. So like that, guys, you have to think all three should be met. Here not meeting, that's why we are going to down. Here not meeting, that's why we are going to down again. So in case of EPF only, everything is matching. So okay, so in first example we have to assign EPF as your history level. In second example, you can see HPI 4 points, ROS 10 points, and PFSH 1 point. So come to the table. So here HPI 4 point means comprehensive, we can think. ROS 10 points, again comprehensive, it is possible. PFSH only 1 point you have. So not in comprehensive level, right? At least 2 required. So because of PFSS, we have to go one step back. One step back means detail. So think about detail. So for detail required 4 points in HPI. So you have 4 points. So 2 to 9 points required in ROS section. So you have 10 points. So that is also possible. Okay. And PFSH 1 point required. So in your example here you can see 1 point is given. So this is detailed. The level of history of second example is detailed. So let's see third example. In third example, HPI 4 points in HPI. So means comprehensive. Means comprehensive is coming in comprehensive table, and then ROS 10 is again comprehensive, and PFSH not given. So that is not given means after counting PFSH, you didn't get any point from PFSH section. So that means PFSH 0. So for comprehensive required 2 or 3 PFSH point. So here in your report there is no PFSH points. So go one step back. In case of detail also required 1 point in PFSH. So again it is not possible. Again go one step back. So in case of EPF, no need PFSH. So that time, so because of PFSH we have to go down. See here HPI is supporting for comprehensive, ROS also supporting for comprehensive, but because of PFSH, because PFSH is not meeting, so that we have to go back up to directly to the EPF level. So EPF means 1 to 3 means 1 to 3 means you have 4 points, 1 point in ROS, you have 10 points, and no need PFSH. So here you can consider EPF as your history level in third example. So like that, guys, we have to assign level of history. So this is only today's topic, guys. History counting, how to count history points. So like, share, and subscribe Medical Tube Med. Thank you so much for being with me.